Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open, and once you are on your profile, you simply need to click on three bars on the top right. Here you need to click on settings and privacy. Scroll down. In the bottom you can see help. Click on that and click on report a problem and click on report a problem. Okay, include and continue. And here you can briefly explain to the Instagram team. So here you can write hi Instagram team, my broadcast channel is not showing. Can you help me getting that? And you can attach screenshot as well from here and click on send. then the then the Instagram team will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help to resolve your issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.